Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is vlog 2 of all things career and UPSC. So let's get started, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification icon so that you do not miss any updates. So on 16 June 2024, around 13 lakh candidates applied for UPSC prelims, and out of these a total of 14,627 candidates qualified for mains. And out of these, only 1100 are going to get into the final merit list. This means that the success ratio in UPSC is less than 1%. Now, many of us who could not clear UPSC prelims this year would definitely start preparing for next year and would consciously make a choice of being in this vicious cycle again. I got a message from LinkedIn from one of my connections saying that he exhausted all his 6 attempts and could not make it to prelims this year. Now he is left with no choice other than getting into corporates. But seeing the job market, it's not difficult, but it's also not easy to get into corporates with a career gap and as a fresher. It's tremendously awesome to stay optimistic, but at the same time we must know when to stop chasing, as we all know that UPSC is a gamble and we have to focus on plan B in order to handle failure in UPSC. And of course, out of UPSC, with all the exhausted attempts and no job experience, what comes next? Failure is not the end. Now, it's crucial to remember that it's not the end of the road, and the skills and knowledge which we acquire during our preparation are valuable and can be applied in various other fields. Now, in this video, we'll be talking about so many different opportunities as in to pivot your career from UPSC to corporate, or with working with government or with any other organization. The first and foremost thing which comes in pivoting from UPSC to corporates is, of course, making your resume ATS friendly. So many corporates value the analytical and problem solving skills honed during our UPSC preparation. Now, the second opportunity to pivot your career from UPSC is, of course, teaching. Your deep knowledge can be valuable in teaching or mentoring aspiring UPSC candidates. And the third opportunity which will help you in getting or working close to government is, of course, internships with different ministries. So you'll get to know their notifications on the 1st to 10th of every month. So stay tuned. Of course, the life after UPSC might not be what you have envisioned, but it can be fulfilling and successful, of course. You might get an opportunity to work with World Bank or IMF. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, and this time more intelligently. Having a plan B is not for loser. It's very important. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos where we'll be talking about very interesting opportunity, and we'll have one-on-one conversation as well with all of you. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.